Jack Roberto update. Naglaro pa nga sila ng pickleball, ang cast ng My Father's Wife. Siyempre nag-enjoy dyan si Jack. Nakakampi si Jack saka si Gabby Concept. Yung kalaban nila sila Hazel saka si Maureen. Boys versus girls. Mga picture ni Jack. Saka ito. During taping ng My Father's Wife, si Jack saka si Andre Paras. May pabati ni Jack.
Hello, Ernie Olaso, si Jack Roberto to. I just wanna wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Happy birthday, Repacon. Jordan, ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day and God bless you.
May abangan kay Jack. May exclusive. Online exclusive si Jack for My Father's Wife. Tinanong siya dyan ni Maureen. Ito pa yung mga picture ni Jack during My Father's Wife and behind the scene. Kaabang-abang eksena ni Gina saka Gerald. Ayun pa, may maswerte pa na pa-picture kay Jack. Saka ito yung binili ni Jack sa bahay niya. Cancel and home na the remote na toilet bowl. Grabe yun, high tech. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.